a slight crosswind this morning. Winds are necessarily, we're going to be landing on runway 33. Not much but 8 knots reported. Although they're supposed to pick up this afternoon to over 20 knots, so that'll make an interesting crosswind. Just coming up on Mud Lake, and there's 2200 for 1200. And yeah, the mouth of the Churchill River is in front of us. And we got 470 pounds of fuel. It'll leave us about 400 pounds when we land, which is 45 minutes to an hour of fuel left. Arrival. This morning we have no passengers. We have a full load of recyclables from the lodge. We usually take out our recyclables and bring them back and place them in the hangar and put them to a good cause later. We donate that to the community. We're coming up on Happy Valley there. There's Mud Lake just passing by the left wing. Happy Valley is about a couple of miles off the nose. For the 1700 for 1200. And checks are done. And we're 10 miles back. We'll do the in-range checks. The fuel's on both. Up is high, set at 1900. Conditional lever is idle. Ignition's coming on. And the landing light's on. Got the gear and the flaps to go. And we'll bring the gear up. Red light indicates the pump's on, and the gear's in transition from the up position to the down position. There's left main, green, which is down locked. And we get the right nose down. Right main and left front, all 4 green. Wonderful. And we'll bring out flaps to approach. Of course, the max speed for that is 150. We're 130 range, so we're well within our limits. We'll bring her a little more left. The autopilot's still on. We're on the heading mode. There's the float plane basin, Otter Creek seaplane base. And we're level at 1200. Bring that speed back a little bit, but bring the torque back to about 1200. Ready for the full flap. And he wants us to call right base. We'll give him a call now in a minute or so. They're just coming up on the VOR. Yeah, there's the viewer just going by there now. We have the
18 Grand Roger.
All right, it's Romeo Hotel Lima, right base over the valley for 33.
Hotel Lima, winds at 2606, clear to land runway 33.
Clear to land 33, Romeo Hotel Lima. And we'll bring the power back now to 800 on the torque. Right over Gee's house. And we got a couple 100 pounds of fuel in each tank, but as the fuel moves a bit, we get that low fuel warning. That's very typical. And there's, we're below the 125. We're going to bring up full flap now. And further reduce to about 600 on the torque.
Gear is down for runway landing.
Yes, thank you. I appreciate that. Okay. There's, coming up on 600 on the torque. And we'll be looking for about 85 knots on approach. There's the golf course.
Five hundred
500 AGL. Slow turn in. Nice quiet morning here in Happy Valley Goose Bay. Not much way of traffic out there, and even the airport's pretty quiet. Here's the Vassies. Looks like we're pretty well right on the Vassies. And the gear's down, full flap. We're set to land. I can feel a little bit of a crosswind there.
minimums.
You take a 180 backtrack to Alpha 1 and this frequency all the way up.
Alpha 1 and remain tower. Romeo Hotel Lima, thank you. We'll just slow down and do our turn and go back. We'll in the condition lever to low idle. And we'll bring our flaps up. That's the landing at Goose Bay on runway 33 on December 2nd morning of 2023. Runway 0826 is still closed. They're filling some cracks. The runway's been unserviceable for the full month of August and remains closed today, no tamped off. Even though it's closed, they still like to check the approaches and the departure paths at both ends just to make sure we're out there. And we're just coming up on Alpha 1. Alpha 1 is right here on our... And as we clear the active, we'll make sure we do our after landing. Pumps are up, condition lever's low idle. Ignition is coming off. Strobe lights are off. We'll turn off the landing light. There's no traffic around. The pedostatic is off. And the fuel selector is off on the right. And we are on at 3-1. past the hour. We'll head over to Woodward's and we'll park. We'll unload our recyclables. Lots of chimes. Lots of chimes. When the fuel gets low, this is the sound in the Cessna Caravan. And we'll get marshaled in. And there's our sister airplane, the Global Bombardier Global Jet. Sister airplane. Halifax. Beautiful airplane. Piloted by Stan. He's a great pilot. He was with us the last couple days. And there's the guys in the cockpit there. Now straightened away for their flight back to, I think they're going to Ottawa this morning. Oh, this is rare. I got no one to marshal us. I'll have to figure here myself. That completes the landing in Goose Bay. Great day, folks.